don't know if you can see the termites. They are all over the place. They may be too small to see on camera here. I didn't think termites like sunlight. Look at all these termites. So they actually have multiple wings, kind of a long body. Those antennas look kind of straight. Those wings are kind of equal length from what I can tell, so I'm guessing that's a termite. And there's a bunch of them. There's a bunch of them inside. We just noticed these just today. So I don't know if they're looking for a place to build a nest or if they already have a nest. I showed you them outside, and here's the termites on the inside. I mean, this is a room that nobody really uses here. Alright, just went to one of the big box stores here and bought some of this stuff. I'm going to read the instructions, and we're going to spray where I saw the termites. We'll spray the termites if I see any left. This is for indoor, outdoor, since you know, they're inside as well. So I've just been walking around to see if I could find any areas that really may attract them, like wood piles or dead stumps, and there's nothing like that at all around here. I mean, we have some cedar trees, but you know, they're not dead or rotting from what I can tell. You can see we have a brick home here, so they were coming from out of the brick. I saw a bunch of them around here. That's really the where I saw them first at. What we saw was just a swarm of them, and then once we saw that swarm, you know, we started looking to where they were kind of congregated at, and that's where I saw one area. Some more were over here. I don't think that's those are wingless right there. Those are ants. Do have a big piece of bark right here. That could be termites right there. So I'm going to take this out to a burn pile. No mulch really around here. Okay, back to where they were before I left. They're just about gone. There's some more hanging around here on the inside. Usually the wood will have like bubbles in it. It'll be hollow and break through when you touch it. This stuff is, you know, really solid here. Maybe they just are looking for a place to start a nest. This is the last day of March. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this right here. Take this to a burn pile and maybe even burn it today. And look for any other areas where they may be at and spray that down as well. So I'll get back after I read the instructions. You want to try to keep this controlled. You don't want to spray this where there's going to be drainage, where animals, humans could, you know, be drinking this. You don't want to put this in any kind of sewer system. I removed the sprayer from the bottle. I'm going to insert it in the lid here. I guess we're good. All right, there we go. Okay, now let's go spray around the window. There's only a few termites left now. I've got the sprayer here. I'm going to go about 12 inches away. You can get the idea. I'm just going to spray this whole window down. You can see wings here. We're on the wood. And I'll go on down there and go up here some more and just cover that area. Then I'll go to the outside. Okay. Down at the floor where I didn't look before. They are everywhere. I don't know why. This is a cement floor with carpet. There's no rotting wood. Look at them all. Just drywall there. They're just everywhere over here. Sprayer's working pretty well. On the carpet over here. See them there? They're just everywhere. Okay, I'm going to just keep spraying here and I'll get back. So the spray says kills on contact. I haven't noticed that. You don't want to spray this stuff in receptacles. All right, moving on outside, I'm going to put the nozzle to a stream position, and we're going to try into the cracks of the brick where I saw quite a few of them earlier today. Switching back to the spray now. Okay, I think we're good here. On the inside, most of them were, in that corner area. They didn't seem to extend out over here or very far back. So this seems to be the area that they were at, outside and inside, in the brick over there. I'm going to end it here, but I'll probably look around for any other cracks and do a little more investigation. I'm trying to find some more of these, but that's pretty much how I'm going to do this. Now I can spray this again or retreat this again in about 7 days. You don't want to do it while it's wet. If it just rains, you don't want to do this. And again, read the instructions if you use this product. So finished spraying, turned it to the X position. It's locked in place. I'll leave the plug in here according to instructions and just push the sprayer in here. It should snap in place like that. I'll revisit this in about a week and respray it. So here we are with an update. It's been about a week now, maybe more. I've checked on the termites a couple of times. I haven't seen any activity, so we're going to check final time here. The BioAdvanced Termite Killer Plus has actually done everything we need with the termites that we had here. You can see nothing's really changed since I just sprayed them directly the first time. There's just hundreds of them here. They're all dead, and I don't see any signs that there's any new ones. I don't see any alive. And I really haven't seen any movement since day one. There's a good look at them right there. Yeah, the BioAdvanced termite killer here has worked for this scenario here. Just want to say that this is not something that would take the place of a professional treatment. But yeah, I mean, all kind of insects here, cockroaches. This stuff will supposedly work with. I think we've eliminated everything here. I don't think they've allowed to lay a nest or whatever termites typically do in foundations. I hope we're safe from that. You want to treat, it says not to treat any more than once a week. I don't think I'm even going to bother spraying anymore. Still have a ton of this left, and I'll continue to use that if I need it. So I guess that'll be it. Hopefully it'll be helpful to anyone out there that sees a lot of termites all of a sudden and you want to spray them directly. This may work for you. Again, read all the instructions, and good luck, and thanks for watching the video. Take care.